Police on the probe after goods seized gone missing. What did they do? Vanish in the thin air? Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV. Let's talk. I asked you just go over there and check out my other channel out known as Links 007 TV travel vlog and tour. On that channel I do some wonderful cooking videos, also give you some tour of different parts of the world, so you can just go over there, check that channel out. I'll leave a link below this video so you can just go over there and subscribe to that channel as well in order to just keep up to date with what's going on. Alright, welcome to this program once more, and the police reputation has been brought under sharp focus once more again after some goods that were seized by a police team went missing. Went missing, or did they just vanish into thin air? So a massive investigation is on the way in order to ascertain what really transpired leading up to these goods that were seized by some police officers, and they are nowhere to be found right now. So two policemen from a division in Kingston are under investigation after they allegedly seized a bus from a Chinese national with boxes of items, but later could not account for some of the goods after the seized vehicle was taken to the police station to be processed. So what really happened to these goods? So they seized the vehicle from this Chinese national and they took it to the police station in order to carry out more intensive investigation. What happened later still remains a mystery, as some of the goods the police cannot be accounted for. Whether the Chinese man is lying or not, I'm not sure. However, he says that he had X amount of goods in the vehicle, and when he reportedly came back for the vehicle, it had Y amount. So what really happened to the rest of the goods? Let's divulge more details as it relates to this case. So reports reaching Links 007 TV Let's Talk are that the complainant was traveling in a Toyota Hiace bus along the Marcus Garvey Drive main road when he was stopped by the policeman traveling in a marked service police unit. The now complainant reported that a white station wagon motor car was parked in the vicinity of where the bus was stopped. So it is alleged that one of the police officers stopped the vehicle and stated to the businessman that he had breached some law or another based on the fact that he had bleaching cream inside that motor vehicle, a prohibited substance by law. It's also alleged that the police officers tried to solicit money from the businessman, but their demands were not met by the complainant and was strongly rejected. So it's further reported that the police officers escorted the businessman's vehicle to a nearby police station and took the key from him in order to lay charges against the businessman. What transpired next still remains a mystery, and a current investigation is on the way. So further reports are that the now complainant was left inside a guard room with his co-worker, and that would have been the Chinese man and one of his co-worker. So they were placed inside a guard room with the vehicle parked outside. It is further understood that the police had the key for the vehicle, and when they returned from the guard room, some of the items that were inside the motor vehicle were missing. So a massive investigation is currently on the way in order to ascertain what happened to the remainder of those goods that were left inside the Chinese man vehicle. So the integrity of police has brought under the microscope once more, and we have seen situation and we have seen it played out on more than one instance where police officers have been caught during some situation that is not in accordance with the law, and this is just another one. These are still allegations against the police though. However, these are still serious allegations, and these are being investigated as we speak on the matter. However, you do have some wonderful police officers out there. I'm not bashing the officers. You do have some great police officers, wonderful police officers to work with. However, you do have some other ones that wow, I can't even say who they are. You wonder if they are cops or they are the criminal themselves. However, this is just another in many series which we have seen police officers being accused of different scenarios and different situations being played out. Some of them have been found guilty, some have been not, and it's just a to and from situation which we have seen playing out in the island of Jamaica, and we need to really lead to just look into situations such as these and just try to find a best alternative instead of you resorting to certain things, especially when you are set over individuals in order to uphold the law and also to enforce it. It doesn't look good, especially when you're at a rank of a police officer. So the police high command is basically probing this situation, and I'm telling you, I'm not sure whether or not this Chinese man is actually lying or not, or he had less goods and he's just trying to implicate the police officers into this. However, whichever way it goes, it's not a good look on the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and we've seen the corruption that have played out in more than one instance as it relates to police officers soliciting money from motorists for different reasons in order not to prosecute them. And this is just another in many series that we have seen unfolding on social media, especially as it relates to traffic and law enforcement officers carrying out their daily duties and executing the law in accordance with the government. Well, we'll keep you up to date with this one. We're not sure what's to come from this, whether or not the goods will be found or whether or not these police officers are actually guilty with what they are accused of. But we'll try our best to keep you up to date with this one. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And guess what? We're out for this one for now. Peace.